Hello all. In this video, I'll give some examples on how to find out divisibility by 7 or 13. The whole rule set is explained in the videos in the link. This is just an example because an example gives just more meaning. I repeated the three rules at the top, so I picked some random numbers and I picked some made-up numbers, so let's get going. So 3, 4, 5. Subtract 3, add 3, and subtract 3, which gives us 72, which is not divisible by any of the numbers 7 or 13, so the original one is not divisible. 6, 7, 8, another random number. So here the 7 limits us to add 2, so we subtract 2, we add 2, and we subtract 2 like this. And now we have to subtract 91, 405, and now we can go on with the further reducing by 4. So we subtract 4, we add 4, and we subtract 4, which gives us 41. This one is not divisible, so the original one is not divisible. Now let's go for some bigger numbers. So if the number is more than 3 digits, we can apply the rule of 1001. So first here we subtract 3003, so this gives us 472. Now we can go on with the original rule, so we subtract 2, add 2, and subtract 2, which gives 290, 29. It's not divisible, so the original one is also not divisible. 8642, another random number. Again, we can subtract 2002, so this gives 6640. As you see, you can also start removing numbers from the back. It's as efficient as the other one. So here the middle 6 is limiting us to add numbers, so at most 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3, 9, 1. So, well, the 0 remains there, but I won't write it. Now the middle 9, I can remove it by subtracting 91, which immediately leads to the result, but again, it's not divisible. For random numbers, there's about 20% chance to find something as a divisor. So to overcome this, I made up some numbers. I made up some bigger numbers. So let's first start with this 5-digit number. So we can subtract 5005. Okay, now we can subtract 3003. And now the limit here is, well, 2, because both the 7 and the 2, so we subtract 2, we add 2, and we subtract 2, which is a number divisible by 13, so we know the original number is divisible by 13. Of course, I knew because I made up the number to find something. So let's see what's hidden in the number 44,275. So here we subtract 4,004. Then we again subtract 4,004. And now we can subtract 1, add 1, and subtract 1, which gives 14, which is divisible by 7. So the original number was divisible by 7. Another made-up number, aimed to get some bigger number, but I got this funny number, so I left it in. So here I can subtract 8008, which gives me this, and I can subtract 9009, which gives me this. So this one is divisible by 7 and 13. Okay, next one. I made one with where the first number is bigger than the last, so that you get stuck with subtracting 1001. So here at most I can subtract 5005, So that's what I do. I get 40209. So to continue with the 4, I have to add a 9 on this position. So I add 91. So I get 402. And then when I add 91, well, the 9 spills over to the 10. So this is the number I get. Adding 91 to 9 gives 100. So in this case, I have a spillover, but it's a fairly easy one. So that's still possible by heart. Now we apply the rule with 3. So -3 plus 3 minus 3. This one is divisible by 13. So my original number is divisible by 13. And finally, to know which year we are, we can as well apply the present year is also a random number. So let's apply it to the year. So here I can subtract 2002 from this number, which gives me 21, which is divisible by 7. So our present year is divisible by 7. For the lovers, 2025 in 2 years is 45 squared. So we have a square year soon. Okay, these were some examples to show how the rule works. I hope you're convinced. The full explanation can be found in the videos that I'll post in the link. Thank you all for your attention. Have a nice day.